Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can permanently delete your Google business listing. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser and then in the search bar, you want to go ahead and simply search for business.google.com. Once you search for it, log into your account that manages the listing you want to delete. From your dashboard, you want to go ahead and simply click on the business you would like to remove. Make sure it's the right one because this is permanent. Once you have tapped onto it, this page is going to open up. In this page, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this three-dot icon, then select Business Profile Settings. Inside here, you will then be able to find an option that says Remove Business Profile. Tap onto it. Here you will be able to find options like Stop Managing this profile, Mark this business as closed, and Remove Profile and Content Manager. So go ahead and choose the one that you prefer. Once you've done that, go through this and then tap on Continue. Just like that, once confirmed, your business listing will be removed from Google entirely. You can simply check Google search after a few hours or days to make sure your business no longer appears. That's it, your Google business listing is gone for good. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.